Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Graham, and yes, I'm from England, and the Euro semi-finals just happened, and yeah, we didn't win, gutted, came down to penalties. We always lose in penalties,
So close, babe.
The flag is going back in the cupboard for another year, or World Cup next year, so hopefully we'll be in the final next year. But yeah, bloody penalties. This Theodora, she's Dutch, and usually we travel the world. We started a YouTube channel about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
And I've got a little bit of a list at the moment, guys, because I've still got my
Ew.
aligners in. I did clean them this morning.
Put them back in.
They're going well, though. They're going well. And we're going to do a video, an update video of what's happening. But I'm going to get a pearly smile very soon.
But
What's happening?
I'm pregnant. For those who've missed. If you're new, I'm pregnant. Currently 38 weeks.
Yes. Now,
Woo!
title of this video is kind of like the pregnancy's not going to plan.
No.
Babe, tell me what's happened.
Okay, so turns out that our little girl is laying wrong. So that's how it all started. She's laying wrong. She has never laid correctly in the whole of the pregnancy.
She's laid from the head here to the bum to the feet, all the way through. But
I think in English it's called like transverse.
transverse, so kind of diagonal.
Yeah,
Right.
it should, like across, so not breech. This happens in 1 to 500 babies, so she's special.
She's special.
And she has her own little wheel. So,
But at 38, well, even I think around 36 weeks, 37 weeks, they should already have the head going
down.
and she hasn't moved. She's just chilling in her own little position,
Yes.
which isn't good for us.
The midwives, they were like, right, if she hasn't moved by Monday, we're going to book you in at the hospital with gynecologists. They're going to do a version, which means from the outside, they're going to try and move her into place. So, I even went for reflexology.
Yeah.
We did all sorts of things. Kumbaya, come on, girl. And no, she did not move.
Did we?
Yeah.
That's what you did.
Well, yeah, I was like...
So
visualising it.
apparently reflexology can help the baby turn.
Yes.
Sounds crazy, but... so we went to get a baby scan,
Yeah, on the Monday.
and she still hadn't moved, so the midwife said, right, you're going to have to go to the hospital, and that was 2 days later.
Yeah.
So pretty quick.
Yeah.
Went there, and it's probably the most painful thing you've ever had.
I have never experienced that much pain. They did 3 versions, so they attempted 3 times. But what had happened was, which we were missing out,
What?
she turned into breech position.
Yeah, so that was the Monday, and then on the Wednesday we went to the hospital.
Yes.
And she turned to breech, which means the bum is
It's now down below.
down, but deep within the pelvis.
Yes. So yeah, so she is in breech position, and I thought that would be a good thing because then at least I could still give a natural birth in breech position. But anyway, they attempted the version.
Oh, I've got some videos here on the from the phone. It looks so painful.
It was the most pain I've ever felt in my life. And the task was, they were like, your challenge is to keep breathing through the pain. And I was like...
This is about as hard as I go with baby. But they were going so deep, like they were just like trying to scoop it and like scoop it down and then like twist it at the same time.
Yeah.
But every time they scooped baby up and then they tried to turn, she would fall back down. And they were almost sweating.
Oh, they were sweating. Like, I think all 3 of us, we were just like, whoa. Like, they gave everything.
Yeah.
So...
And then they measured baby's head. And all the way through the pregnancy, she's had a small head, like a below
My
average head. And I've got a big head, so we were like, yes, she's got long legs, small head.
Yeah.
The best of both worlds.
Yes.
Turns out she's got above average head now, so her head has grown. It's like
Yeah, she's got a bigger head.
she's got a bigger head now, like daddy. So if she comes out bum first and then the head gets stuck, they said that it's too dangerous to like take that risk because it could cause complications.
Yeah, oxygen and all
So
the rest
basically
of
said,
it.
yeah, it's going to be a C-section. And
It just hit us like a brick, didn't it?
well, yeah.
I mean, I cried my ass out. Simple.
Yeah, I think most women
Yeah.
want to give that natural birth. That's something that you.
Well, I
wanted.
always wanted, and I like I've got quite wide hips, and I just thought, well, that's why I have them. I have them because I'm gonna deliver my baby like through what I've been made for, and now I kind of felt like I've been robbed of being a true woman giving birth to my child. So like that was like super hard for me to deal with. I know it sounds stupid now, but
Yeah, because obviously a lot of people do C-sections, and there's nothing
Yeah.
wrong with it.
No.
In this instance, it's going to be the safest option,
100%.
and people do it because of other reasons.
Yeah.
But we weren't really prepared for that, so yeah, you were crying most of the day.
Yeah. I think you were quite emotional as well, weren't you?
Well, yeah, so now we've got a date. In 2 weeks' time, we're going to be about a week and a half time actually. We're going to be doing a planned C-section.
Yes.
It kind of took in the beginning. We were like, oh, it's kind of taken the fun out of it. Like, when's the water going to break? When do we need to go to the hospital? Or when we're planning to do a home birth. So when's that going to happen? But
Yeah.
I think after 3 or 4 days, we kind of got over it. We are
Yes.
brushing over how heavy that was for us. But
Yeah, it was hard for us to deal with, but we're now at a better place, aren't we?
we are. There's lots of advantages to doing C-sections, especially in this case.
Yes.
So we know when it's happening, literally in like 10, 11 days.
Yes.
So it's insane. Yeah, so this video was just a quick update to let you all know what's happening. Obviously, not quite gone to plan. I had the bed set up next door.
Yes. We were going to order a water bath, and all.
We had this vision. So if you're pregnant and you're thinking this is the way it's going to happen, there's a chance that it doesn't go the way you expect.
But the exciting thing is that we have a date, and that we are literally going to know when to pick up the camera to go, okay, guys,
we're going
to the hospital to meet.
It could have been the day, or the month, sorry, that England won the Euros.
Babe, I don't think this is in screen.
I know, but the poll's too long. It could have been the month that she was born in that England won the Euros, but wasn't meant to be.
Wasn't meant to be. Luckily, I am born in a year that the Dutch took the Euros, so 88.
Anyway, we digressed. What's next, babe?
Okay, so I want to do a belly cast.
Oh, we're doing it now? Yes.
So we're going to do a belly cast.
Alright, so it's a belly casting kit. It says for kids, babe.
Huh?
It says kids. Anyway, let's get this open. Alright guys, we're prepped. Theodora's lubed up.
I'm lubed. Look at this thing.
I've got loads of strips of this. I'm going to put it in the warm water and then slap it on. You might have to go lower, babe.
Yeah, because you will need to get really the bottom, won't you?
Yeah, down to that, like... Okay. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
So I need to make this wet.
Yeah.
In and out.
Yeah, because it's not too much water, it said.
Oh.
Oh, God. Hang on, and it's doubled.
What do you mean it's doubled?
Here.
What? It's doubled?
Right? You got a double.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. Where's that gone? Here. Oh, you should have put an apron on, babe. Here.
Oh my God, I've doubled it. Did I double it?
Yeah, here. Boom. Oh.
It's too long as well.
Is it?
Oh, this is terrible.
Oh, God. Hang on, this.
Okay, we're here to learn, guys. We're here to...
It's just a bit of fun, babe.
And we are halfway through. It's an absolute nightmare. It's messy. I wish I watched a YouTube video before.
Oh yeah, we could have done that.
I'm sweating, it's 32 degrees outside.
Babe, don't make me laugh. I need to keep my model composure. I think you're doing a real good job, babe.
I'm not giving up my day job, I'll tell you that. How are you feeling, babe?
I feel like I'm a sculpture.
Like, well, obviously you can't see anything naughty. It's all covered in the cast.
Feel quite exposed though.
That was difficult. That was hard work. I'm sweating. It's 30.
Sweaties on your forehead.
Yeah, 32 degrees outside, and I've walked footprints all the way through the house, which is great. Okay, we need to dry up for 20 minutes, and then we're going to try and remove it.
I can't wait to take this off, babe.
Okay guys, the big moment. This is already coming off. Oh, it's still quite flimsy.
Is it?
Yeah, we can't just...
I feel around the edges. It's like not everywhere, it's like jelly.
The edges are pretty weak.
Oh, actually here, all my legs, look, it's coming up now here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Ow, okay,
Gentle.
that's empty.
Gentle.
And then this side. Ah!
Does it hurt?
Yeah, there's no jelly on there. Ow. Ah, okay, it's off. Oh shit, what's happening?
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, it's still here. Yeah. Look, yeah, there. Yeah, okay, it's totally off, I think. Yeah, you can take it.
Okay. Oh!
Oh my god.
There we have it, guys.
Oh my god.
It's pretty cool. I need to keep you covered up, babe. Can you cover yourself up? There we have it, guys. It's not quite... Okay. Now what do we do?
How does it look?
Okay, it's supposed to dry for 24 hours. That is pretty sick. Obviously, we're not going to have this ready by the time this video is up, so stay tuned for the next video when we see what it looks like when it's hardened and maybe we paint it. Alright guys, the cast is outside in the sun and the wind, so it's drying nicely. Theodora's making us dinner. What we got?
We got feta salad with avocado, tomato. We got some Greek halloumi and chicken. And a nice wrap. Very Mediterranean today, babe. But you'll have to check in back next time when we get ready for baby's arrival.
So we've got about a week and a half, 2-ish weeks. So we've got lots of things to do. And the next video is going to be quite a funny one, or should be a good one, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be good.
It's going to be good. And yeah, we're going to be getting ready for baby's arrival. And then, guys, in 2 weeks' time, we're not going to be the only ones here.
Yeah, that is mad.
Our life's going to change forever, for the better, no doubt. So we will see you next time. Yeah?
Thanks for watching.
Ciao.